Okay. So here let's see the crystals. So here crystals also will not form a cycle. So how we are making crystal? How we are taking the crystals? Let's see. So prims we are starting from the linked nodes, whatever the link from 1 to 6. From 6 we are identifying the next least node, and then from 5 we are identifying the next least node. It will form like a tree. There is a connection between 1 to 6. From 6 we are identifying the next connection. Then from 5 we are identifying the next connection. Like that, the connection is there. But how we are making in prims? So how we are making in the crystals? So the same problem. This is the problem diagram, problem graph, what we are seeing here. From the problem graph, we are identifying the crystals solution. So the same graph only I taken for prims and crystals. So the same problem graph, I will start with the explanation for crystals. So here we are starting the starting node 1 to 6. 1 to 6 we are having 10. Okay, please keep in mind 1 to 6 we are having 10. So we are putting in the crystals, sorry, so 1 to 6 we are having 10, no, that we are putting here as the first solution. Starting node is 1 and ending node is 6. We are putting the cost as 10. When you are identifying the next least value, what is the next least value in the given graph? The entire graph you have to see after 10, next greater value. Next greater value. There is no least value than 10. What is the next greater value?
12.
12. So what is the node having the weight 12? 4 to 6. 4 to 6 or 3 to 4. 3 to 4 having 3 to 4. 3 is the least value and 4 is the highest value. So we can take as 3 to 4. 3 to 4, the weight is 12. That we have to take. That we have to consider. So we are taking 4 to 3 or 3 to 4 we have to consider. The weight is 12. The cost is 12. Okay. Next to that, next to 12, what is the next highest weight?
14.
After 12, next highest weight is
14.
So which two nodes we are having 14?
2 and 7.
2 to 7.
2 and 7. And keep in mind, while selecting these nodes, it should not form any cycle. Okay, you have to select it carefully. So 2 to 7, the weight is 14. So that we are selecting 2 to 7. So 2 to 7 is third edge. We are selecting, the weight is 14. So next to this, after 14, which is the greater value? After 14,
16.
which is the greater value? 16. Which node carries the edge? Which two nodes we are having 16? 2 to 3. 2 to 3 we are having 16. So this node is selected. So as of now, how many nodes we selected? 1 to 6 we selected. Then 3 to 4 we selected. Then 2 to 7 we selected. Then we selected 2 to 3. 2 to 3 we selected. 2 to 3 we are having 16. So 16 that we are writing here. 2 to 3 as 16 or 3 to 2 as 16. Next to that, after 16, which is the greater value? After 16, which is the greater value? What
18.
18. So where we are having 18?
7 4 to 7.
7 to 4. Is it possible to connect this? Whether it will form a cycle? Already these three parts we connected. Keep in mind, 4 to 3 we taken already. 2 to 6, 2 to 3 also we taken already. And 2 to 7 also we taken already. If you connect this, it will form a cycle. It will form a cycle. So that we should not connect this. We should omit the edge 7 to 4. We should omit the edge 7 to 4. So after 18, which is the next greater value?
22.
22. So which edge having 22? 5 to 4 having 22. So 5 to 4 having 22. So that we are taking 5 to 4. Okay. So 5 to 4 we are considering next. 5 to 4 we are considering. So next to this, we are considering the next highest value. So next highest value is 25. So 25 we are having 6 to 5.
So next is 24. No.
Sorry, 24 when you are connecting, it will also form a cycle. 24 if you are taking, it will also form a cycle because we connected this and this. So when you are connecting 24, it will also form a cycle, so that we have to omit this particular edge. So next to 24 we are having 25, so that we are connecting 6 to 5. So our connection is going like this. 1 to 6 already connected in the first time. 6 to 5 we connected in the last, that is 25. 5 to 4 we connected before last, that is 22. Then 4 to 3 we connected at the second time, that is 12. Then 3 to 2 we connected at the fourth time, that is 16. The third time we connected 2 to 7, that is 14. So our graph for Kruskal's algorithm will come like this, the same as Prim's algorithm, but the methodology is totally different. For Prim's, we connected from the destination edge to the next position, but in Kruskal's, we are identifying the least weight among the entire graph, and we are avoiding the graph will form a cycle. So according to this, the solution is 1 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, and 2 to 7.